Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm Colton and I'm excited to start this channel out and begin this journey with you guys. If you're into technology or currently studying for IT certifications or just wanting to improve your career in IT, then this is a good place for you. On this channel, I'll be covering a lot of topics around technology, such as certifications, study guides, and tutorials. I'll also be walking through packet tracer labs, troubleshooting exercises, and hands-on tips to help you understand IT materials and get certified quickly. So an introduction to me. I am just a couple months away from getting my associate's degree in computer networking support. And after that, I'll start my bachelor's in network and cloud engineering. I have obtained the A+ and Security Plus certifications from CompTIA, and I have a great base knowledge of the Network Plus concepts from my networking classes in my associate's program. I'm studying towards my CCNA, which is the Cisco Certified Networking Associate Certification. And the purpose of this channel is I will be covering all of these materials, and in the future I will develop, like I was saying, study guides, certification programs, and courses to help you guys get certified quickly. And my future plans for this channel are just that as I advance in my IT career, I will share tips, tricks, projects, and insights that I get along the way. This channel will act as my portfolio where I will document my journey to mastering IT, and I will build a clear, organized catalog of everything I learn, including certifications, skills, and real-world experience. My goal with this channel is to make your learning path easier, faster, and more effective as you work toward your own IT career goals. I am planning on posting about one video every week, which will likely be on Sunday. If I don't, then I will make sure to make it up and continue a consistent schedule. So if you're into technology or studying, make sure to hit the subscribe button and join the community. I will be consistently uploading videos to facilitate your IT journey in mastering these concepts and getting certified and building a good resume. Thank you for watching and welcome to the channel.